isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat at sa ating Panginoon. So for our devotion po today, ito po ay matatagpuan sa 2 Samuel 22 verses 29 to 30. It says there, "Ikaw po, O Yahweh, ang aking tanglaw, pinawi mong lubos ang aking kadiliman, sa tulong mo'y malulupig ko ang mga kaaway, sa pamamagitan mo, O Diyos, anumang pader ay nahahakbang." So when David wrote these words, the Lord had just delivered him from the hand of all his enemies and the hand of Saul. So the Lord is my lamp. So how about us today? Can we see that the Lord is our lamp when we are in the midst of darkness of our lives? Did we find ourselves in the presence of the Lord? When we are facing trials in life, what are the things that we do to overcome it? Isn't it glorifying to the Lord? Is our action says that the Lord, I will trust in you, or simply we turn away from the Lord when we are in the midst of trials? So in this passage, si David, di lang niya ginawang gabay ang Diyos, but instead, he will trust in Him, even the Lord delivered him from his enemies. Ang hirap ng ganun, no, yung nagtatago ka sa mga kaaway mo para hindi ka nila mahanap. But yung Lord na mismo, yung nagdala sa'yo sa sitwasyon na yun. So, same with us today. We are so stressed and fear about what will happen in the next day. Even the only things that we can do is to trust in the Lord. We are so burned out, frustrated from the things in this world. And dala-dala natin palagi yung mga burdens na instead na ipagkatiwala na lang natin ito sa Diyos. So sabi nga sa passage, sa pamamagitan mo, O Diyos, anumang pader ay nahahakbang. So imagine niyo na lang yung pader na malaki is mahahakbang natin with the help of the Lord. It is impossible, di ba, kung sa atin lang ng mga tao. But same with our problems today. Gaano man kabigat, gaano man kalaki ito, we can overcome it. So, hindi ka ilalagay ng Diyos sa sitwasyon na meron ka ngayon kung hindi mo kakayanin. So, that's all po for our devotion today. Have a blessed day, everyone. God bless po.